I should have known Daryl was leaving the night we ate at Bob and Lou's. He stared at a big-haired woman with cleavers chopping barbecue. The restaurant was fully crowded. She stopped to bring him more iced tea. Her uniform, I had to notice, was polyester busting at the seams. Then he said, "Beehives and knives is what I live for. Brown polyester is what I crave. Who would have known I'd fall for a woman with upper arms big round as my leg?" Had to admit she was impressive. Her chopping skills were well received. Even the height of her bouffant, who knows how long I've been deceived. Daryl stared across the table. I had a feeling we were through. He touched my hand for just a moment. We both realized what he must do. Then he cried, "Beehives and knives is what I live for. Brown polyester is what I crave. I'm gonna leave you for a woman with upper arms big round as my leg." I just wish he had told me before I found out this way. Now man-made fabrics make my head spin. I can no longer use hairspray. I understand the whole attraction, all you can eat cobbler and slaw. But I believe a 9-inch beehive should simply be against the law. I still hear, "Beehives and knives is what I live for. Brown polyester is what I crave. How could he leave me for a woman with upper arms big round